Hello guys. Welcome to another video. Do you know when to use the prepositions, on, in and at? No? That's okay, just keep watching this video to learn it once and for all. We use it to refer to a position or location which we see as a point. I was sitting at my desk. To talk about locations at companies, workplaces when we see them as a place of activity. How many people are working at Microsoft? To refer to activities which involve a group of people. Were you at Lisa's party? Also at the cinema, at the theater. With school, college, university. She always did well at school. To refer to an address. They once lived at number 12 South Georgia Street. To talk about public places where we get treatments, such as a hairdresser's or doctor's surgery. I can't meet at 4, I'll be at the hairdresser's until 5. To refer to most shops. Look what I bought at the butcher's today. We use on to refer to a position on any surface. I know I left my wallet on the table. To describe a position along a road or river or by the sea or by a lake. Dublin is on the east coast of Ireland. To talk about a floor in a building. They live on the 15th floor. To talk about being physically on public transport. I was on the train when she phoned. But to talk about ways of traveling, we use by. I went to Rome by train. We use in to talk about locations within a larger area. I know my book is somewhere in this room. Can anyone see it? To talk about workplaces when we see them as a physical location. She works in an open plan office. With class. He found it difficult to concentrate in class.